Today, we're diving into a super practical use of ChatGPT, creating custom grocery lists tailored to your specific dietary needs. I'll show you how to make sure your next grocery run is perfectly aligned with your nutritional goals. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about gluten-free diets. Whether you're managing celiac disease, gluten sensitivity, or just choosing to go gluten free for other reasons, having a well prepared grocery list is essential. Now, instead of manually searching through endless labels and ingredient lists, we can use ChatGPT to streamline the process. Let's start by putting together our prompt down here in the input box. So here's what I created so far. I need a grocery list for a gluten-free diet. Can you help me create one? So this prompt is straightforward, but it gives ChatGPT all the information it needs to generate a useful list. So let's see. And now we wait for ChatGPT to work its magic. So here it is. It's currently processing. So in just a moment, while doing so, it will provide us with a detailed list of gluten-free foods, including grains, proteins, and produce, for instance. So as you can see, here we go. This list has covered everything from, let's say, snacks and extras. There we go. Dairy, like Greek yogurt, almond milk, and then proteins, fresh salmon. My apologies for that. It's salmon, canned tuna. Then go up here, fruits and vegetables. The most healthy part of the groups, that is. So my apologies for that. So in which these are safe for a gluten-free diet. So yeah. And in case if they're too broad and need more details, you can ask ChatGPT like this, like include, let's say, hold on a second. You can say include BR, apologies, print. There we go. And prices, then yeah. So once you add a bit more specific details to another prompt, and here you go. So you can see it's currently processes. Now, next to it, they are the labels and brands along with it, the quantity amount, and the price that is. See? And overall, just a simple prompt or two, and ChatGPT will process everything, and you'll have your own grocery list provided for you. See? So it just might take a while, and it might end up the same. So let's proceed to the next segment. Next, let's dive into vegan diets. Whether you're a long-time vegan or just beginning your plant-based journey, planning your grocery list is crucial for making sure you get all the essential nutrients. We're going to use ChatGPT once again to help us craft a well-rounded vegan grocery list. To get started, I'll proceed to put together my prompt down here in the input box again. So here it is what I come up with. Can you create a grocery list for a vegan diet? See? Now this prompt will guide ChatGPT to generate a list that fits perfectly with a vegan lifestyle. Here we go. Now that we've sent the prompt, let's give my apologies, ChatGPT a moment to compile our vegan grocery list. It will soon provide us, and it's currently in the process, with a variety of plant-based protein sources, along with fruits and vegetables that are both nutrient dense and delicious. So you can see right here, as you can see, here we go. ChatGPT has offered up a fantastic list of vegan essentials. Well, as you'll see, not only ChatGPT provide us with the recommended fruits and vegetables, there are also food groups like grains and legumes. nuts and seeds. And there's also dairy alternatives and snacks and extras. Sweet. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. Finally, let's focus on low-carb diets. Whether you're on keto, Atkins, or just aiming to cut down on carbs, having a strategic grocery list is key to staying on track. Instead of guessing which foods are best, we can use ChatGPT once more to create a list that meets all your low-carb needs. So let's go ahead and put together a prompt down here in the input box. So let's say, help me create a low-carb grocery list. This simple prompt will help ChatGPT generate a tailored list of foods that are low in carbs but rich in nutrients. Let's go. Now that we've sent the prompt, let's give ChatGPT a moment to put together our low-carb essentials. It's about to suggest a variety of low-carb, each with food groups, that could be lean on proteins and also healthy fats that are perfect for a low carb lifestyle. So let's see what ChatGPT has in store for us. So let's see the proteins. There are chicken breasts and eggs, dozen. There's tofu, vegetables, Brussels sprouts, cucumbers for dairy. There's cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, fats and oils with almond butter, snacks. There's also dark chocolate and the recommended percentage, and there's the others. Great. Now, there you have it, a quick and easy way to create customized grocery lists for special diets using ChatGPT. Leave a comment below with what you would like to see next. Also, check the pinned comment below to download a quick guide for this video. Until we meet again,